Actually, sige, Deb, dyan na lang ako sa harap.
Ano ba?
Para kayong apat dito.
Okay, okay.
400m 앞에서 좌회전입니다. 그리고 우측 출구로 나가세요.
59. Go 59. Sa Globe.
전방에 신호 위반 단속 카메라가 있습니다.
Oh, I think my door is still closed.
Oh, one more.
Ano?
Highway?
We are going here.
Yes, Adamson University.
Yeah, we just follow the ways.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no problem with that.
학생이에요? Student?
Yes, students.
You what will study? Adamson?
Yeah, we study at Adamson University. We just had our full trip.
Oh, you graduate with him?
Yes.
What program?
Psychology, all of us.
Oh, really? Psychology.
Yeah.
So you can read like mind people.
Not necessarily, but we're kind of in that place that we'll be able to distinguish what the person's
Oh, yeah?
what's inside the person's mind, as long as they be able to tell us what they feel. So yeah.
어, 예. 야, 그런데 저는 한국 사람이에요. 예, 코리안이에요.
Yeah,
어, 예. 뭐, she can, yeah, I heard it. Korean, 한국말이요? You speak Korean?
No, little.
A little. 축구 말았어? 야, 축구. Watching K-drama, I think. Yeah, you watching K-drama? Yeah, Filipino love to watch K-drama.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're all beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, photo shoot, right?
Yes.
But me, Tagalog, yeah. Puti.
Konti.
Yeah, puti Tagalog, yeah. A little Tagalog.
Are you studying? Are
No,
you
no.
studying Tagalog?
No, I'm looking here establishment for my business.
괜찮아?
Yeah, 괜찮아요. Yeah, 괜찮아요.
How long have you been working here in the Philippines?
2 years here? 2
Wow.
years here, working here. Yeah, looking for establishment for my business.
What kind of business?
It's Pogo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You know Pogo?
Yeah. Yes, very familiar to us.
Yeah, what is Pogo?
It's the gambling.
No.
Some sort of gambling.
No.
Oh, I'm so
Yeah, how
sorry.
about them? They know what Pogo?
Do you guys know what Pogo though is?
Yeah.
Pogo?
Yeah, Pogo.
Pogo ba?
No. I'm
No.
Pogo.
Yeah, you explain to
The
them.
illegal.
Yeah, I'm looking
Akala ko
here
Pogo.
establishment for my business. It's yeah, Pogo.
Pogo.
You know it? Pogo.
Pogo.
Like this Pogo. Yeah, Pogo.
Ah, okay. Ah, okay.
You know,
Quilleg.
Yeah, Quilleg. Establishment.
Pugo. It's Pugo.
Pugo.
Yeah.
Pugo.
So when you say Pogo, it's the illegal stuff. It's
Oh,
the
really?
illegal business.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. So when you say it, it's Pugo.
pronounce it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's written by Pugo. Yeah. So
Pugo.
Pugo. Yeah.
Pugo. Not Pogo.
Not Pogo.
Not Pogo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
We kind of got nervous when you said your
Oh.
business is Pogo.
Oh, yeah.
Since it's an illegal gambling.
Oh, yeah. 오, 감사합니다. 야.
Pugo, pugo.
야, 푸고. How about they go straight? Yeah, go straight Tagalog.
The
Yeah, what is the Tagalog go straight?
dire-diretso?
Hmm?
Dire-diretso.
Derecho.
Dire-diretso.
Derecho.
Yes. Go straight.
Go straight. You're all psychology.
Yes.
Yeah.
How many years study psychology?
4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
You've been Korea? You've been Korea before?
Oh no.
Not yet.
Yes.
Mhm, yeah,
Hopefully
Korea.
soon.
Yeah, soon. Yeah, soon. You visit
Yeah.
yeah,
We want to.
yeah, you visit yeah, you can visit there. Very good. Yeah, join
What's your recommended place?
in Seoul.
Ah.
Yeah, very
Are you
nice.
from Seoul?
I live in Seoul.
Ah.
Sultan Kudarat. No. Yeah, I live here. In Mindanao. Yeah, Sultan Kudarat. But actually, I'm originally from North.
North Korea.
North Korea?
North Purview.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, no Purview. I have a lot of Filipino friends here. Comedy people.
Mm.
Always joking and joking. Kanang, yeah, kanan, yeah, kanan.
Kaliwa is left.
Kaliwa left. What is it? Busrege?
Derecho.
Derecho. Derecho. You speak Korean a little. Oh. You speak Korean a little.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
No.
Oh.
Mm.
I'm happy if there's a Filipino who is speaking Korean. Yeah, very happy. Yeah.
Kumawayo.
Ayo.
Yeah, I know salamat po. Salamat po. 감사합니다. Oh.
That's bad.
I heard that. Watching K-drama. Yeah, 그런데 LM이요. What is your name? What is your name?
I'm Vero.
Hmm?
Vero.
Pero?
Vero.
Pero.
Vero.
How about that? Yeah.
I'm Ella.
Ella and
I'm
Yeah.
L.
huh?
Ella L.
Ella L
Yeah.
and
Sam.
Sam?
a Korean name for Ella?
Allah. Yeah, we can write it Allah. Yeah. 한국. Sam. How about the yeah? Hmm?
Debbie.
Debbie. Yeah. 반갑습니다.
Bangawayo.
Yeah, 반가워요. Yeah. Same. Yeah, same. Yeah, just call me Mr. Hoon.
Mr. Who?
Yeah, that's my last name, Hoon.
Mm.
My
Mr. Who?
first name is yeah, Sutang.
Sutang Hun.
Hoon Sutang.
Hun Sutang.
Food. Una ang last
yeah.
name always
Yeah.
sa kanila.
Hoon Sutang.
But if you
But I'm here in the Philippines.
So,
Sutang Hun.
Yeah, Sutang.
Are you a vlogger?
Hmm?
Are you a vlogger?
Blocker? What's a blocker?
vlogger.
Or
Someone
TikToker?
who-
Actually, I have a friend. We are 4 Koreans driver here. I have a friend that making video. Also making video. Yeah.
Oh, so it's not. I
Hmm?
thought it was you.
No, we have friends Korean also here driver here. And the one making video. Yeah.
You're friends with the vlogger.
Yeah, my friend Jongsu, yeah, I mean, Korean driver also. 정수, yeah, 정수. His name is 정수.
Is he single?
Yeah, he's single. Yeah, last name is.
How old is
last name is Pot.
Mark?
Pot. Yeah, 정수, my friend. Friend,
Why pot? Like pot?
hmm?
You're so funny.
Like pot? Like pot?
You didn't get it.
Oh?
You didn't get it.
I didn't get it. Jongsu.
Then pot? My God.
Jongsu pot.
My friend, yeah, friend.
Can go
Yeah, yeah,
Where?
yeah. There.
After?
just before the
Before
stoplight.
Oh,
the
yeah, yeah, yeah.
stoplight. Before
Yeah.
or
You can
yes,
get off
very
from
good.
here.
Very good. You are very makan. Hmm?
Thank you so much.
Uy, sandali lang.
Ay. Ay.
Ay, why?
Wait lang. Dito ba?
Aba,
Yes.
Naloko.
Wait lang.
It's
Ay,
a
ay,
prank! Ano ba?
It's a prank.
Kuya, pinrang ka din namin. Kilala ka na namin.
Talaga?
Mabablog po ba kami? Kasama ba kami sa vlog?
Ito si ma'am, hindi niya ako kilala.
I'm sorry, I do
Ah.
not know you.
Ay, pinag-uusapan namin sa labas.
Picture?
Ha?
Pwede bang picture?
Pwede naman. Sino ba nakilala sa akin? Ito at saka...
Ako rin.
Pinag-usapan na po namin dito.
Baka kamukha lang.
I'm so sorry, I do not know you.
Nagkaano na kayo, no? Nagkatawag dito, nag-chat-chat kayo, nag-tingin kayo. No? Naramdaman ko yun, sabi ko, may nakakilala sa akin.
Kasama kami sa Bakit? Ano ba tong content na to?
Korean prank. So ito yung camera natin.
Kaya nga po, kanina pa namin nagpapay.
Yan
Kanina
yun.
dapat actually, dapat tatanungin kita kanina, sabi ko, are you recording us?
Okay.
Ay,
Ayan, picture na tayo. Yun.
Sorry, kuya, I do
Okay lang ba? Isama ko kayo sa content?
Yeah! Ay, sige!
Alam nyo, timing kasi ang gaganda ninyo. Ang gaganda eh. Ang ganda nyo sa camera, yan o.
Parang seryoso ko!
Okay, so okay lang sama, no?
Yeah,
Okay, so bibigyan ko ng sticker. Yan.
Oh, that's so cute.
Ayan. Tapos nakakas kayo, it's a free ride. Grabe naman.
Bibigyan pa sana kita ng tip.
Hindi na. Hindi na
Ala,
po.
hindi,
Okay lang.
okay lang po. Hindi, okay lang,
Hindi,
nagtatawa
nagko-content
ko.
lang po talaga ako.
Totoo po
Oh,
ba?
yan, baka may shoutout pa kayo. Ayun, ang mga classmates mo.
We're gonna graduate!
Yan, congratulations!
Si, si Ma'am Donna.
Oh, yan, congrats.
Hi sa aming thesis advisor, Ma'am Donna.
Yan. Gurmuan na rin.
Yeah, pag-graduate na.
Akala ko mabubuo ako sa mga psychology to. Mukhang magaling
Actually,
magano to, ha?
sabi niya, nakakaramdam ako. Sabi niya, vlogger yan. Sabi ko, baka kamukha lang.
Hindi, wala akong idea. Ano, seryoso ko. Ano
So, ayan, maraming
sa buhay
salamat.
ko?
You're welcome.
Thank you so
Dito na
much.
lang, dito na lang. Tapos si ma'am.
Abangan po namin yung content.
Bye.
Edit.
Like and follow.
Yeah, Mr. Hun, Sutang.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Yes. It's Adamson na naman tayo, guys. Seryoso nga si Ma'am Zarap, no? Siyempre, ayaw niyang tumawa kasi baka sabihin niya, baka tinatawanan ko yung Koreano. Napakabait na mga estudyante dito sa Pilipinas.
Papanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Annyeonghaseyo, pasahero, gulat na gulat seryoso. Pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang no wonder. Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida. Ang bati niya sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Free ride vibes para sa mga estudyante, driver na komedyante, walang katulad sa klase. Pag si kuya si ate, nahuhuli minsan, pero di kulong tawa pa rin, kaya magaan. Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Anyong haseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat. Seryoso pero di nila alam, ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang, no wonder. Anyong haseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Don Vertos, ikaw ang bida. Good vibes palagi kang sa hamida. Sa traffic, di ka na mainip. Don Vertos TV, tawa ang hatid.